Here's some interstellar travel trivia. Subscribe. What spacecraft was designed to study interstellar space? Is it A. New Horizons, B. Voyager 1, C. Space Shuttle, or D. Mars rover? The correct answer is B. Voyager 1. Which unit measures astronomical distances? Is it A. Mile, B. Kilometer, C. Light year, or D. Meter? The correct answer is C. Light year. What concept is used for potential shortcuts in spacetime? Is it A. Black hole, B. Space bubble, C. Wormhole, or D. Time dilation? The correct answer is C. Wormhole. What is the name of the NASA mission to explore Pluto? Is it A. Cassini, B. New Horizons, C. Mars rover, or D. Voyager 2? The correct answer is B. New Horizons. What theory describes the expansion of the universe? Is it A. Steady-state theory, B. Big Bang theory, C. Quantum fluctuation theory, or D. Oscillation theory? The correct answer is B. Big Bang theory. What is the name for particles that exceed the speed of light? Is it A. Photons, B. Tachyons, C. Bosons, or D. Neutrinos? The correct answer is B. Tachyons. Who proposed the concept of a warp drive? Is it A. Albert Einstein, B. Miguel Alcubierre, C. David Bohm, or D. Stephen Hawking? The correct answer is B. Miguel Alcubierre. What is the closest star system to Earth? Is it A. Tau Ceti, B. Alpha Centauri, C. Sirius, or D. Vega? The correct answer is B. Alpha Centauri. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.